Welcome back to my channel. So this is an exponential equation on the board and we are asked to find the value of x in this exponential equation. We are given 4 raised to power x minus 7 multiplied by 2 raised to power x minus 8 equal to 0. It's very simple. Okay, so solution. We have 4 raised to power x, right? We can change 4 to what? Index number or index form, isn't it? Because what 2 raised to power 2 is still the same thing as 4, right? 2 square means what? 2 times 2, right? Multiply by x, okay? Minus 7, 2 raised to power x minus 8 equal to 0. Are you getting it? So here we have 2 raised to power 2 raised to power x, right? We can write this in this form, right? 2 raised to power x multiplied by the index number, because 2 raised to power x multiplied by 2 is still this. I get it, because if you multiply x times 2, it will still give us 2x. Okay, so we have minus 7 2 raised to power x minus 8 equal to 0. So you can see that we have 2 raised to power x here. Also, we have 2 raised to power x here, right? If you solve to this point, this is what you do. You use a particular alphabet to represent 2 raised to power x. Are you getting it? So let's say let y be equal to 2 raised to power x. So meaning anywhere we see 2 raised to power x in this equation, we put y. Are you getting it? So here we have 2 raised to power x, right? So we put what? Y raised to power 2 minus 7 y minus 8 equal to 0. Are you getting it? So y raised to power 2 is simply now y square minus, if you open the bracket, it will be what? 7y minus 8 equal to 0. So you can see that it has turned to what? A quadratic equation, right? So in this form, you can either use the formula method, the completing square method, or the factorization method. Are you getting it? So when I'm solving, I always like using the factorization method. So if you want to use the factorization method to solve quadratic equations, the first thing you need to do is to think of two numbers in such a way when you multiply those two numbers, it will give you negative 8. And at the same time, if you add up those two numbers, it will give you negative 7y. Are you getting it? So what are those two numbers? The two numbers are minus 8 and positive 1. So you can see that if you use minus 8 to multiply 1, it will give you minus 8, right? At the same time, if you add up these two numbers, it will give you minus 7. So in place of minus 7y and minus 8, we input these two digits. Are you getting it? Here we have 2y, right? Meaning y times y is y square, right? So you draw your bracket open, you put 1y, you put the first digit minus 8, you put the second y plus 1, everything equal to 0. Are you getting it? So meaning y minus 8 equal to 0, or y plus 1 equal to what? 0. So if you solve for the first one, it will give us what? Y equal to 8 if you move the negative 8 to your right side. Then the second one is what? Y equal to negative 1. This is not the final answer. I guess it. What we are looking for is the value of x, not the value of y. Okay, so this with this equation we can find the value of x. I get it. You can see that we use y to represent 2x. Okay, this is the equation y equal to 2 raised to power x, right? And the first value of y is what? Is 8, isn't it? So anywhere we see y in this equation, we put 8. So 8 equal to 2 raised to power x. Okay, so we can change a to index form 2 raised to power 3, right? 2 raised to power 3 means what? 2 times 2 into 3 times will still give us what? 8. So equal to 2 raised to power x. Since we have equal base numbers, we what? Equate only the powers. So x equal to 3 as the first answer. Okay, and the second one is what? Y equal to minus 1, right? And this is the equation. So anywhere we see y here, we put negative 1. So we have negative 1 equal to 2 raised to power x. I get it. You can see that minus 1 equal to 2 raised to power x is not a solution. There is no way you can solve it. Are you getting it? There's no way you can solve it. So the answer to this given equation is x equal to 3. Okay? So this is the value of x, not this. Take note. In case you don't understand, you can rewatch the video. Okay? So thanks for watching. If you are watching on Facebook, please follow my page for more videos. Share this video for others to watch and learn. Give this video a like. Drop your comment on the comment section. If you are watching on YouTube, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. Bye.